Thank you for joining Telecom Review here at 5G MENA.
I think we're still optimistic in terms of MBB or mobile broadband in general, but specifically in Middle East and Gulf area, we see a lot of data growth, and they may reach about 30 times in the next few years. So there are a lot of growth in there, powered by video, high-def video, and also powered by maybe AR, VR. The other thing that we also see in MBB right now globally is the diversification of services. So we're not really just looking at consumer services or video now. Mobility or wireless is a key in part when it comes to home broadband. We see a lot of applications in wireless home broadband, even for 5G. The key here is the operators need to support different diversified services, and they need to efficiently utilize their existing resources. They need to optimize what the assets that they have, and I think things will be clear when it comes to evolve to 5G.
Tell us, what is Huawei's 5G strategy?
5G will bring innovation not just in the telecom industry, but also for all of other industries. So at the end of the day, 5G will be the tool that will be responsible of merging the digital world and the physical world. So digital world in terms of the services and stuff, and physical world in terms of the things that we do every day. There are three key factors for 5G that we consider and we focus on in terms of standard harmonization, in terms of spectrum harmonization, and also in terms of technological innovation. But more importantly, we also believe that industry collaboration is very important when it comes to bringing 5G into reality. So those are the four pillars, if you will, about Huawei 5G strategy.
Thank you. When do you think 5G will be deployed commercially from a Huawei perspective?
Okay, so regarding the time frame, and if we talk specifically about 5G system, 3GPP release 15 standard is going to be ready next year, 2018, and right after that, we will have our first commercial equipment for 5G, which will cover one group of use cases. You know, for 5G, we have three different groups of use cases. We have enhanced mobile broadband, and we have massive machine type communications, and we also have ultra reliable low latency communications. So those are three different use cases. The first release for 3GPP will cover the first one, which is enhanced mobile broadband, and we will have the equipment ready at that year, next year. In 2019, 3GPP will cover all of the other use cases. That's why we believe that in 2020, we will have the full-fledged equipment that will cover all of the use cases.
Okay, very interesting. Awesome. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.